What's up, people? Minute here, coming to you with a video. This time we are going to be looking at Earthwise Clean Air Choice Tiller and Cultivator. The model number is Tango Charlie 70001. That is a model number. This is right there with my fingers. Alright, so continue on with the unboxing experience. Alright, packaging wise, pretty damn good job. Everything is individually wrapped. While there was a little bit of a damage to the box right here when Amazon delivered, but that happens. I'm not going to give them flag for it. So let me continue. Alright, some assembly is required. Overall, it actually does come in with two connectors for the height. One of the wiring things that is already connected, so you don't have to wire anything. And the wheels, it does come in along with operator manual. And as you can see, there you go. This is the make and model. So let's continue. And it does have some minor parts. Fortunately, they don't look like they require any kind of tools, but let me open the manual and see what happens. Alright, step one will be to take the thing out of the plastic, and again, you have to be very careful with the plastic. Don't leave it around kids, don't leave it around pets. Just dispose of it in a proper, responsible manner. So let me take them out. Alright, you do need a screwdriver to undo the nut. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to undo the screws, take the washer out, and put the wheel through. The way you want the wheel to be is this section should be outside, this one should be inside, because this thing has a little bit of a groove that gives us a little bit more room to move. So let's continue on. Alright, I just undid the screw. Again, the washer is going to be going on top, and this thing is going to go right through. You have to push the wheel through this. So the wheel will go right here, and when you tilt it, you will see that the iron thing is going to be protruding out right here, and then the screw and the washer, which is right here, is going to go through. Because initially when I was looking at the diameter of the wheel, I was like, there is no way that this ball bearing and this small screw can fit through. So this goes right through here, and then you use the screw and the washer and you plug it in. So let's continue on. Alright, one wheel is in, same for the other one. Just connect the screwdriver, unscrew it, and as you can tell, I'm using my IKEA Fixer Toolbox screwdriver to get this done. So again, really handy. Again, this side should be going in, this side should be facing outside the machine, and just plug it right through. Take the screw and just tighten it. Hand tighten it, don't tighten it too much, because you'll be using it in a hot weather or a cold weather, so the screw is bound to get loose. Just one single tug and that should be it. And once that's done, open the bag, and they do have the plastic clip-on things that just go right on top, and just snap it in right there. You can take them out if you need to, or retighten it by flathead screwdriver. So continue. Alright, similar to the other side, we're going to take the plastic cover that they do provide and just plug it in and snap. There you go. You hear the click, that means it's done. And again, they do have the attachment that it can come out. The thing that I did notice is you can push this green lever right here, and this thing will come right out. And this actually will be supported by here, and then you can just plug it in, and boom, there you go. The wheel is there, it's secure, and it can be tilted right like this. So let's continue on with the assembly. And now for the tricky bit, which is how do you put these things together? How does that connect? Simple. This thing has holes, or the foam part is definitely going to the top. Looking at the way the box was, this thing is going to be facing this way, or in the same direction as this. And this thing is going to go right here, and this part is going to connect right on the bottom. So having said that, let's continue on with the assembly. So here we go. Alright, quick note, the screw, how do you know which side it goes, is when there is a small little square slot that they do have that countersinks with this screw right here. So when you put it in, you should just put it right through, and just, there you go, it's completely flush. And then you take the plastic gambit on the very bottom and connect it. So let's continue on with the install. And similar to the bottom part assembly, the top is also going to go do the same thing. Just slide it right through. Once you do, connect the screws, and let's continue. So really quick pro tip, this part right here, this needs to be going in the middle of this, which is this thing right here. Considering it does not has an opening, you need to make sure that you do feed it through, and this will glide right through, and it will just hang in the center right here, because it can actually facing this side. That way it can pick up the cable if you need to. So let's continue on. Alright, moving right along with the assembly process. The line has been fed. They did include the plastic clips that allow you to keep the wire in check and line. And now what we need to do is we need to unscrew this section right here, which are these two bolt hole things, and feed the cable through. That way, and this thing will be mounted right here on top, and the lever is going to be facing inward towards you. So let's continue on. Hi people, the install is now finally complete. Also, the instruction manual doesn't specify what you do with this spare part. Turns out this spare part is nothing but the cover for this. That way there is no dust or debris that will go in when you're not using the product. As far as the center part, well, that thing is nothing but to hold on to the wire when it's not being used. So you just feed the wire through here and just let it hang. I mean, that's pretty much it. Alright, as always, like, comment, subscribe, and do share. Leave me the feedback if you want to know what exactly happened to this. And again, this is how you work. You push down. Once you push down, then you connect and engage. So first push down and then pull. Then only it's going to work. Otherwise there's nothing there. So you hear the click, that's the click. Alright, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys and gals later. Have a good one, people.